Today I would like to show you our new ABORA IV headquarters here in Görlitz. In just 1 week hard work, the ABORA team managed to transform this ancient rotten building into something nice and livable. The cameraman now will follow in some nice sequences the people how they made this tough and elaborate work.
So, alles klar.
Antreten zum Durchzählen.
Jawohl, machen wir.
5, 4, ja.
Erster Eindruck hier in Görlitz.
Meine Meinung, schlimmer geht nimmer. Aber was uns, wie gesagt, nicht härter macht, gell? Das macht uns noch härter, gell?
Tom, what you are doing here?
We're going to clean the floor, firehouse style. You take the mop, the broom, come in, scrub, 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 scrub. Right? Then we come over here, we take it up, we clean, take it up, take the dirty stuff out like this, right? Then go in here, come back with a better mop, and then do it again. So we clean it 3 times. And then we have to do the windows and the ledge.
No, es gibt kein Kabel mehr, das ist aber traurig noch.
Mark, what you are doing here?
So, I'm removing all the old cables so people are not asking questions, is this dangerous or what is it? Is there any power on it? I just take it away. We're sure it's safe. Yeah.
Now our Bulgarian crew member has arrived. Theodor, what's your opinion about the international forces here in Bulgaria?
Very good team, very good for the Bulgaria in this moment.